welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are looking at the Camarillo Disney outlet. It is August something. August 8th? 7th? No way. August 5th, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, let's hear all about it. It is a weekday. It is a Tuesday, and it is about 5 p.m. So a little different than usual. We have some Stitch stuff. I believe this was here last time we walked into. They do have Halloween stuff, so I'm gonna go straight over there because I'm looking for a sweatshirt. But they do have Stitch stuff for regular price. It says Happy Halloween. 80. And it's a hoodie. Oh, Donald's cute. $25. $35. $17 for a pen? Tonight. This is cool. It's glow in the dark. $4.35. Is that a booty? Well, I guess not a booty. This pumpkin one. $65. And some PJs. Some shoulder buddy, 30, 25, and then I think it's, what is it? Men's t-shirt. That's cute. I mean, it could be anybody, but it says men on it. 29, so 30. We have Oogie Boogie, 25. 25. We are not doing Oogie Boogie this year. We're trying to save money for a trip. This one's nice though. And then you have Let's Boogie. 35. Alright, more Halloween. Looks like kids. 25. 35. Sally. Probably 45. Ooh. I wish this was on sale. 60. The ears. They're pretty cute. 35 for the ears. Look at this little outfit. I need it. It's 40. It's so cute. More ears. Happy Halloween tote, 30. And then pins for regular price, $13. Clip, 17. It does not feel like a $17 clip. Like it's, I don't know. Okay, we have a, oh, it's adorable. It's like a little baseball shirt for kids, 45. It's so cute. There's also t-shirts for littles, $20. The same one we saw, 18. I don't know how much this one is. If I have to guess, maybe 30 or 40. And then let us squish them. 30. Stitch. 30 and 30. Back to the regular schedule program. So usually in my channel, if you're new here, I only show what is on clearance or what's on sale, outlet prices. Otherwise I skip it. I was curious about the bubbles. 27. I'm not sure how much they cost in the parks, but 27. Look at this Bluey kitchen. It's not on sale, but it's cool. Okay, not on sale. Not on sale. So regular price. Regular price. So much Bluey now. Okay. Pottery, 15. 13, wow. 15 for these designers. 13 for the marbles. 10 and 18. $5 for these Moana 2 dolls. I did not like Moana 2 at all. 20, 15, 8. Oh, a microphone for 4. 17, 17. Okay, I did get this little mic for Lila. It's only $4, so not bad. 17 and then 10. These dolls are 10, 20, and 18. Bunch of Nuimos for 12, 15. He looks like the Contemporary Hotel. Simba. Oh, are you on sale? It is on sale. It's 40. We'll pay in like this in the future. Do I invest in this? No, she'll probably tell me what she wants in the future. 25. Oh, look, graduation stitch. 15. That's crazy though. And then 20. So many old school toys. They're not on sale, so I can't buy them. But I'll keep my eye out. Alright, on to more sale. We have this tote for 10. That's not bad. It just has the date. And then this backpack for 10. Back to school. 2024, $7. Wow. 12. This looks like it's just like mixed in kids. $12. 7. Oh, look at this one. 40. Whew. And then swimsuits. Are they on sale? Yeah, 20. I don't know if all of them. No, some of them. $23. Cute. Okay. 28. 34.
It's $54.99.
Cute. See, I like the long sleeve ones. 15 for the long sleeve ones. This one goes over here. And then it looks like they're getting ready for Halloween. Well, duh, but costume wise. There are still some on clearance. I showed these last time. And I think these were like $13? Oh, $10. Cheapest costume ever. And then we have more rounds of clothes. $12. It's a lot so onesie. Let it be cheap, let it be cheap. 35. It's a normal price. No. No. Normal price. 17. 12. Little PJ. This is cute. 25. Could be cute for a cruise. I think we saw this one last time. Wow, there's even Lily Pulitzer, huh? 52. Whew. And this one's 32. It's cute. And then it looks like it's just similar things, but you know, bigger sizes. 45, and it looks like we have some regular price mixed in. Same deal as last time, 18 each when you buy 2. We have accessories, but they're all regular price. Okay, I'm in the other side of the front, where it's back to school, 30% off, but not drinkware. Oh, they have so many more of these for 60. Yeah, 30% back to school. Cute. Are your kids back to school? We're definitely back to school. Let's see. We have 8 for a LaCroix. 15. 7. 28. This one's so scary. I don't think I know the price because I'm too scared to lift it. $10. 13. I think it turns on. 15, 13, 7. He looks so cute in here. He's 17. 13, 10. We saw all these last time. 18, yeah. What is this? It's $10. Oh, hold on. $10. $14. $5. Wow. Indiana Jones. 13. 10. 12. We saw these last time too. $10. And then all of the Encanto. Oh well, actually this one's new. This is Lion King. 10. But the Encanto table mats and the plates. Same price as before. We have a little hat. These were like $10 last time. Yeah, $10. So I wonder if it's the same. Where this rack is just $10. Yep, $10. This one's cute. Look at this one. No. No, Shirley, no. You're gonna buy a Halloween shirt. $10. This isn't bad for Avengers. It's subtle. From the Tiana ride. Actually, the song is on right now. $10. I'm just gonna assume everything on this rack is $10. These were there last time. These were not. Water comes. What? Water connects all things. Oh. $10. Huh. Great for the cruise too. I have a cruise in mind. Little tiny outfit. So cute for $35. Now it's out. Oh, 8. 8, you say? 0 to 3 months. It will not fit my baby. I wish it did because it's cute. 8, and then I think this is swim. 12, and then 8. I'll be your Mickey. 8. Loki, and then some t-shirts we saw last time. And it looks like somebody had a t-shirt accident over here. 15. 10. Ooh, Foolish Mortal mat. 413. We have this sweatshirt, just one bite. 53. I'm guessing this is all regular price. $20 for the Avatar sweatshirts. And there's like some workout shirts too. I don't think these are 20. No, these are $8. So the sweatshirts 28. Regular price. More t-shirts. These were £8. Yeah, $10 last time. Still $10. Oh, this is cool. $8. Then this like mini jacket. 13. 13. Yeah, we saw most of these last time. So what I believe you were trying to say is 20. 20 for a spare jersey is not bad at all. More. Oh, Navarro. I don't know the reference that much. I like Star Wars. I'm just, not too deep in it. 10. Yeah, most of these were here last time. And we have adult clearance, which I showed you last time. There's no extra sale on these, but $10. I feel like last time. Oh yeah, these were here. Was it $10 last time? No, it's 20. So the t-shirt's 10. Okay, yeah, they were here. Most of this was here last time. Most of the adult clothes is pretty good right now on sale. Regular price. Regular price. Regular price. Disney Store exclusive products. Interesting. Cool. Say hello to my little friends, huh? Oh. Oh, this is on sale. 56. I think this stuff is new. 50. 56. That's cool. You're welcome. 56. Look at this one. Penny Proud. 20. 50. I don't know this brand. Are this like 17? 55. 40. Cool. Look at this one. It's so extra. 50. Woo. 78. More penny. I haven't seen these. 35. We saw these ones. Oh, that's the back. And it's like a towel. 55. We saw this one. Whoa.
The rest of the orange towels have been pushed out.
55. 50. 15. 10. And then the mugs we saw earlier. Oh, what is this one? Start your cups. Oh, it's from the ride. 5. Regular price? 7. 7. 12. And then pets. 5. 10. 10. I'm after this one, but it's still too expensive. 13. 10. Oh, it's 10 for the Grogu one. And 17 for Fantasia. And 25. Still 8. 30. 10. 7. Alright, we have Bubble Bar, 35. 30. And 20. And then we have towels. 20. How's it feel? Oh, it's not awful. I saw these last time and they're still 35. It's not polished. Too expensive, I think. 25. These have been here a while. $10. These, I don't remember. 45. Star Wars Crocs. 40. We saw these last time with the platform. Ooh. These I don't remember. 55. Jewelry. Ooh, expensive. 90, 150. Wow. And then some Orange Bird from 17 from Disney World. Okay, so I ended up just getting 2 things. Obviously the cast members are super sweet there, but I got this Encanto mic. It was $4 and you can sing the Encanto songs. It's perfect for Lila. And then I ended up getting myself a full priced item, but I liked it. So it is a Halloween shirt. It's glow in the dark, and then there's the back, and it's oversized. My vibe right now. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, adios.